demo will walk you through the steps of creating a quick invoice within Paya Connect. To begin, select Contacts from the left side. Find your contact that you would like to invoice and click on their name. At the top of the screen, select the option for Queue Invoice, and then click on the option for Create Quick Invoice. Here you will need to enter some required information, as well as the due date. Additionally, on the item list, you will want to insert what the person is being invoiced for and the cost. Hit Add Item. You will now see the item listed below. You may complete any other fields that you would like to include on the invoice, and once you are done, click Save. When the screen refreshes, you are now able to see the new invoice that you created. Additionally, this invoice will be sent via email to the email address on file for that customer.